McDonald's copycat biscuits and gravy recipe is a classic breakfast dish that combines fluffy biscuits smothered in savory and creamy sausage gravy, creating a hearty and satisfying meal that will transport you to a cozy morning in the heartland. The tender and buttery biscuits provide the perfect base for the rich and flavorful sausage gravy. The gravy, made with a savory combination of crumbled sausage, flour, milk, and seasonings, offers a creamy and indulgent experience that is both comforting and delicious. So, do try out the recipe and share your experience in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and save it for later. Take you on a spicy flavor adventure. It's not just a condiment, it's a bold and spicy companion that adds a kick of heat to your favorite McDonald's menu items. This sizzling sauce is a tantalizing blend of habanero peppers and zesty spices, creating a fiery and flavorful experience. Its intense heat and robust flavor profile make it the perfect choice for those who crave a spicy sensation. Whether you're dipping your nuggets or slathering it on your burger, it adds a fiery burst that takes your meal to the next level. So, do make this sauce at your home and share your experience with me in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to save this recipe for later.
French fries recipe that you will definitely love. These fries are a timeless classic that can transform any meal into a celebration. It's not just a side dish, it's a universally loved treat that brings a smile to every face. These legendary fries are made from high-quality potatoes, cut to the perfect size, and cooked to golden perfection. The result? Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and just the right amount of saltiness. I personally love to have these fries with hamburgers, grilled sandwiches, and cheese wraps. So follow the recipe, make them at your home, and share your experience in the comments section.
McDonald's chicken wrap is an easy and delicious recipe that anyone can make with some few easy ingredients at your home. These chicken wraps are so tasty for how simple they are. Without putting too much effort, you can replicate the exact McDonald's recipe for your lunch or dinner. Not to mention that these wraps are super customizable too. Chicken breast, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, ranch dressing and ketchup wrapped in tortillas make this wrap a perfect meal. So what are you waiting for? Do try this McDonald's chicken wrap recipe and share your feedback in the comments section below.
McDonald's chocolate chip cookies are classic treats that feature soft and chewy centers, studded with generous amounts of rich and melty chocolate chips. These freshly baked cookies are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth cravings. Each bite offers a heavenly combination of buttery dough and delectable chocolate chips. So, do try out this recipe at your home and make your loved ones happy. Also, don't forget to like, share and save it for later.
McDonald's hot fudge sauce is a dream come true.
McDonald's McChicken sandwich in your own kitchen with this recipe. This beloved classic features a breaded and seasoned chicken patty, crisp lettuce, and creamy mayo, all nestled in a soft bun. McDonald's debuted the McChicken in 1980 and it was a disappointment at first. Then, after few improvements, McChicken made its way back onto menus in 1988. The main ingredient of the McChicken is the flavorful chicken patty that never fails to impress. It's made with a blend of tender chicken meat, seasoned with a secret blend of spices, and coated in a crispy breading. The combination of the crunchy exterior, moist chicken, and the freshness of the lettuce and mayo creates a taste sensation that's hard to resist. For health-conscious people, you can make it healthier by grilling the patty instead of frying and using a whole wheat bun. So, what are you waiting for? Go and make this crispy chicken sandwich for your loved ones. I am waiting to hear your value.